DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. So check her out, DDAmanda.com. Okay, I'm dialing it in, the last one. Actually, I had to cut all of them a little bit long, so I had no waste. When I cut the fifth one, this is what was left. But I'm tuning it in now. We got here 293.7. We're right on. Maybe that's 293.2. It's supposed to be 293.7. But see that D there? Let me get my glasses so I can see this. So, 293.4. I love this tuner. 293.6. 0.5. Just a little bit more. And what I've been doing is, my earplugs, I just put it in here and then push it up against the wheel when it's spinning. But I don't want to turn it on right now because it's noisy as hell. And that's how I've taken the last. You can dial it in pretty good with this. Got little spacers here. I take just a little bit more off, not much. I'm going to turn this off because it's noisy. Yeah, I think we're good. I'm going to have to do some burr removal here. I think we're pretty close. Let's see where it is. It's almost 9 inches from the end. $293.6. 293.7. Look at that. Right on, baby. Okay, that one's done. Cool. I'll do some deburring. This is a great tuner. It's called Pano tuner. P-A-N-O. They left off the I. Okay, let's check it out. So there they are, all 6 tubes. One of these is, I need to do a lot of tuning on that one, but there they are in all their glory. Even them out on this side. Here's all the different lengths. Dun 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 dun. Cool, huh? I gotta deburr this one. So let me work on that. My magic deburring tool. It's a pretty good tool. That's a real tough burr right here. Need time to do a little filing. I think think that copper almost melted. Do the outside. I think the inside's pretty good. Wait. I wonder if the frequency changes any when you deburr them or afterwards. This has got a nice little lip here from the tubing cutter. Turned out pretty nice. This is the top, and where'd my file go? I'm probably looking at it. There it is. Here's the outside burr. Alright, well I'm going to keep going on this and then we'll look at it again, see what it vibrates at.
I don't know why you think you might put this too low.
Well, I'll look at it in a second, Benny. Okay, let's see what we got now after deburring. Shit.
Yeah.
294.5, that took off a lot. Fuck, I went too far. 294.3, it's supposed to be 293.7. So I'm off 0.6. I'm in the green. 290. The trick is, here's how you remember. Longer is lower. So if I want to go lower, I gotta be longer. And shorter is higher. So, fuck, I'm at 294.2. I should be at 293.7, so it needs to be longer. And I can't make it longer because... Fuck. Well, I learned a lot on this. Deburr it and then tune it. Or check it. It is pretty close.
Yeah.
0.4. 293.7 versus 294.1. 294.3. So it should be 293.7, but I can't get lower because it needs to be longer to go lower. But we're in the green anyway, so you know. Okay kids, I gotta clean these all up, and oh, so first you tune it, then you measure it, and then you take, see, look at this, this is supposed to be like 38 something, and here we go at 39 and 9/16. So you take 22% of that, 22.4% of that, and that gives you where you drill your hole to hang it, which will be on the other side. Da, 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 da. Okay, onward and upward, baby. Okay, this is the last tube. I'm just going to go over what I've been doing. I measured this one at 39.5, and then I asked my personal assistant on my phone what 22.4% of 39.5 is, and it turns out to be 8.48. So then I measured 6 inches in here, and then I need 8.848, so I got I had it. Ooh, bingo. Right there. And then from the 6 inches that I marked, I measured that, and I made that line there. So now I'm going to drill a hole in here, a 16th inch hole. And then the hard part is getting this thing to work. Piece of shit. There it is. Once I drill the 16th inch hole, the other one has to be exactly on the opposite side, so that's a tricky part. But let me drill this hole. This is the last one. I already did all the holes on these at the right. Because I'm just going to run a steel cable through there, probably stainless. And I got to clean these again. I had those fuckers perfectly clean, and look what happened to them. I guess that's attractive. That's an attractive pattern, isn't it? I'm gonna have to do it again, though, I think. I don't know. Maybe I'll leave it like that. It's kind of cool. Gotta do the other ones, though. Well, this is tricky, getting this started. Sometimes it wants to wander like that. That's pretty right on. Actually, it's supposed to be, that upper part of that hole is supposed to be at the line. I've been putting it dead center, but really it should be, because the cable, well, the cable's pretty small, but the cable should be supporting it on that line, so this hole actually should be below the linea a little bit. But I don't think it'll matter that much. Now the tricky part is getting the other hole on the exact opposite side. So I gotta get that on the bottom, and then fuck around and make sure that this thing is totally on center. But it's getting dark, so I'm gonna quit. And I wish this had an auto off. It would have been great, because you gotta turn it off. It's one of those Me Too toils. Toil. Alright kids, onward and upward. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.